Ja, Waffel? Shower? She's throwing up. She's throwing up. She's stopped for the moment. Oh, no, she's doing it again. Yep.
It's a bit yucky.
What are you doing, Fluffy Bean?
Look at when she's throwing up. It's yucky.
So she must have had a big feed at Noah's Ark before she went into her box, her carry cage, and she's been throwing up heaps on the way home, which is not a good thing. Yeah. Beep. You gonna be alright to go in the cage again? Baby babies. Baby babies. Baby babies.
What you doing?
What? What?
We're going to go in here for safety. Safetyness. Good? You good?